Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be exploring FNM, which is a fast node manager. Uh, this tool is invaluable for those working with Node.js, since this tool efficiently manages different node versions. Notably, FNM stands out for its development in Rust, offering cross-platform support and prioritizing simplicity and speed. Installation and setup. So we're gonna go into detail of installation and setup in class, but you want to ensure that curl is installed so that FNM can be installed directly from the command line. After you're done with installation, it's important to add FNM to your ZSHRC file or the bash file for proper functioning. You can look more into detail if you look at the FNM documentation. Additionally, you also have an option to install a completion script for enhanced command line experience. Common usage of FNM. So in daily use, what this FNM tool that allows you to do is it allows you to list all available node versions and install them as needed. You can set aliases for different versions, making switching between them effortless. And FNM also enables you to attach specific node versions to your projects for consistent development environments. And this is really powerful because you might often have multiple projects, and these multiple projects would have different node versions. And without having FNM, it will be really difficult to manage. But with FNM, it just make everything uh, so easy and streamlined. Advanced FNM features. Uh, so we talked about uh, how FNM allows you to attach specific node versions to your project. So this advanced feature, you can, in order to do that and automatically, in order for FNM to automatically detect the node versions specified in project files, you could use uh, that node version or that .mvm.rc file. And this, having that file helps tools like FNM to automatically switch to the specific version of the project. And by having FNM, you can uninstall any of the node versions or even FNM straightforward. Benefits of using FNM, we talked about a little bit, but FNM offers significant advantages for Node.js developers. The primary benefit is the ease of switching between different node versions, which is crucial for working on various projects. And you can automate updates and simplify the uninstallation process. If you just install Node.js from the Node.js website, it can be cumbersome to uninstall. So it definitely saves time and increases efficiency in your development workflow. And this will be important in class because we might have to switch between the stable version of Node.js and the latest version of Node.js. And we have some Node.js based project that uses React in the front end and Next.js in the back end that has different node versions. So installing FNM across different platforms. So we discussed Linux installation. FNM was chosen specifically because it allows you to install on Windows and Mac OS. The process varies slightly across these platforms. There is like different installation process, so I highly recommend you looking into the documentation. And I believe FNM provides like the binaries on their release page. So if you don't prefer using like terminal, you can use that user-friendly alternative. Managing node versions with FNM. So as we said, FNM streamlines the process of managing node versions. You can list all available versions as well as those installed on your system. Installing a specific node version is very straightforward, and FNM also offers the options to install the latest or the latest LTS. LTS standing for long-term support versions using the latest and LTS flag, respectively. Using and uninstalling node versions with FNM, switching to a specific node version is a simple command away. So you can uninstall any version you no longer need. This functionality is particularly useful if you have complex projects requiring different node environments, allowing seamless transitions and cleaner development spaces. Alternatives to FNM. While FNM is an excellent tool and it's a tool that we're going to use in the class, it's important to know there are alternatives. MVM is the popular one, and there's also Volta. They both are other popular node version managers. I guess they vary in their speed and operating system support, and some of them have unique features. I would say MVM is more widely used at the time of the recording, but it can often be a little slower and lacks Windows support. Volta is similar to FNM in a sense it's built with Rust, but I think it's newer. That's everything about FNM. Thank you, everyone.